Hey, hello, good morning, guys. From YouTube, my name is Marcos. Today video is about snow removal. So we are preparing our equipment for snow. Let me switch the camera here. We need to prepare this truck because it's supposed to be snow today. Like I think 1 to 3 inches. I don't know. Maybe the weather has changed. Before I go to the property, I need to prepare the salt. I got this salt over here in the garage. I don't like to leave this salt outside. The reason why is because if you leave it outside, the salt gets a little wet. So it's gonna be a little more heavy, you know. And it's very important to do salting before and after. This is what I use, man. Snow and ice melter. It is very good. You can get this in Home Depot. I don't know other places if it has it. I think maybe you can get this in internet as well. This is very good, you know. This is for temperatures very low. Like this right here is minus 25 degrees. I use this product for many years because I was working for somebody else, another company, and I got a lot of experience about this, so that I can tell you guys this it's working very good. But in my case, I mix it, the rock salt first, and then you apply the calcium in areas, in specific areas like the walkways, the parking area, special parkings. You can apply this because it's expensive. I will use salt. Salt to me, it doesn't matter how much you put it on the ground. You gotta be careful because you don't want to damage the concrete, new concrete. All right, man. So I moved into the one of my big commercial property. I asked the guy this morning to if we need the salt or calcium. He said yes, so I'm moving to there, man. Alright guys, I spread this salt on the front, so now I have to move it to the back side. I'm working solo today, no helpers. Alright guys, so I do the back side right now. This is the back area. You can see right here we got a lot of water here. Tomorrow it's gonna be cold, so all this side is gonna be frozen, and so that's why I apply the calcium and the salt. The main areas, important for me, are these areas, man, where the people come to the store and they need to open the storage, you know. So that's the main area, very important to solve. Alright guys, I want to say thank you, man. Thank you to everyone to take your time and watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment there, and I will answer to you guys when I get a chance. Okay, thank you very much. Be safe.